We're good here.
Good news, children. I don't know how you did it, but my scouts have just informed me that your rocket train safely entered the hangar.
Glad to hear it, Paddock.
But I'm still waiting on that beacon. Bring it back to the airfield as soon as you can.
Wilco, we'll be there soon. Come on.
Anyone else surprised by the size of that rocket? It's massive!
Rockets are big. You know the ballistic coefficient you need to accommodate atmospheric drag?
No, I don't.
Well, it's high. Thus the size.
So, what's it like to know so much about stuff no one else cares about?
Go ahead and abide in your ignorance, man. Not my problem.
Glad we agree. Cheers!
So, Kate, your headaches, they're really gone?
Yeah. As soon as we killed the matriarch, they ended. Haven't had one since.
And this idea you have about your mother being...
It's not an idea. I saw her. I saw whatever she is now.
I've noticed something, that the swarm seem different. Smarter, more cunning.
Yeah, rocking spiffy new weapons and armor too.
Paddock warned us about that. Said it started happening like a few days ago.
When we were at Mount Kadar.
Wait, you don't think it's connected to...
To when they got their queen back? Yeah, I know it is. And it's only gonna get worse if we don't get the hammer back online.
Airfield's just ahead. Park the skiff as close as you can. That thing's kinda heavy.
And so we meet again.
Let's get that thing to Baird.
Lead the way.
Paddock, where's Baird?
In back. He was explaining to me the new modification he made for your little bot frame. It was boring, so I came out here.
Probably unload this targeting beacon ASAP.
And you think that's going to save the world?
Baird, we're here with the beacon.
Excellent. I'll meet you around back.
Wait, if Bear's going back to New Afira with the beacon, how are we getting back?
Well, if there's a Raven about, I can fly us home.
Oh, no. Didn't you crash your basic training?
Oh, I had a slight mishap.
Yeah.
I'll set that targeting beacon down. I'll deal with it in a bit.
Gladly.
Hey, Baird. Can we talk?
Yeah, listen, kid. You still got a rocket to launch, and I need to get back to New Ephyra.
Yeah, right. Of course.
JD, we're fine. I'm just working through it. We can talk later.
I appreciate that. Thanks.
Paddock said you were working on something?
Yeah, a new and improved shield prototype for Jack. Go ahead, install it.
Installed. Tell us about it.
It's actually very interesting. First, it creates an ionized vector.
Baird, cancel class and get out here. Swarm coming in.
Short version, it stops bullets. Now get up there and use it.
Delta, come on! Shield!
Ah, success! On the very first test, too! You've never tested it? Oh, yeah! Good night! Let's go! You come into my house uninvited. You pay the price.
Let them not hostage! Got another one!
Target's down!
We're not done. Everyone, get to the tarmac before Baird loses his ride home. They're right on top of us!
Way to clear this tarmac or Baird's not going anywhere!
Come on, Delta, don't let up!
Take him!
to stay, Bear.
You're dead! Got you! Okay. Airfield secure. Now Bear can get that beacon out of here.
Come on, we still have shit to do in this bloody desert.
All right, Delta. Back on the skiff.
So, are we back on task then? Let's hope so.
Children, more bad news, I'm afraid.
What is it now?
My people, transporting the other beacons. I need you to get to them immediately. Their convoy was attacked.
Where?
Close. Their last message. From the old city.
All right, we're on it.
Man, the Nomads cannot catch a break. Smoke up ahead! Shit. Yeah, it's a convoy, all right.
I'll steer. All right, let's get in there and see what we can do.
Look! They're still fighting! We gotta help them!
we're clear. Now let's check on the beacons. Well, they don't look damaged.
Paddock, mate. You hearing this?
He says the beacons are safe. I'll send someone to pick them up now. And don't worry, they'll be well armed. So go, deal with your rocket.
All right, Delta out. All right, we're done here. Let's get back on the skiff.
I swear, we have to save these nomad skins one more time.
Hey, give them a break. They've been fighting out here alone for months.
Delta, I'm heading out. I'll be in touch.
All right, Baird. Safe travels.
You too. Good luck.
So, what's the plan now?
The hangar. It's time to put that rocket together.
Sounds good to me. What about Paddock's nomads?
They have stuck their necks out for us. Maybe we own something for that.
Sure, but if we don't get our rocket launched soon, it's not just Paddock's nomads we'll be worrying about.
I'll steer. Del, skip back to the hangar. Let's put that rocket together. Got it.
Head to the hangar. Let's put this rocket business to bed.
Del, this is the last LC circuit.
Cool. Now we can give Hijack a much-needed boost.
We're done here. We should get back on track.
Yeah, Delta, back to the skiff.
I'll take that information.
I may have complained a bit.
Or a lot.
Or a lot, thank you, Del. But this has actually been a pretty wicked time, all in all. To sum it up, 8 out of 10. We'll do it again.
And it's been surprisingly not terrible having you alone.
Yeah, I'll take that, yeah.
Get the other side. Let's finish this. Paddock, we're back at the hangar. Everything should be ready.
Good. Baird left instructions he asked me to read you. And I quote, "Get inside, initiate the rocket assembly procedure, launch aforementioned rocket, and hope these satellites talk to ours." End quote.
Wait. Hope the satellites talk to ours?
What do you want from me? I can barely turn on a computer. Go press the button and see what happens.
Oh boy. I'm beginning to understand why he never lost his ride.
And there we are. Everyone's favorite rocket.
Let's get down to the platform and throw a switch.
Yeah, see what happens.
Better work. Paddock, rockets assembling.
Look out! There's a bloody snatcher in here!
Son of a bitch! You know, I think it did that on purpose.
Who gives a shit? We need to get that nose cone back into place!
Oh shit! Snatcher's back!
Wounded!
Yeah, coming!
I'm down!
Back shield!
boss.
Shit! We've got scions!
Shock trap! Are you kidding me? This'll work! Got you!
All right, we got them all.
We gotta get on that gantry and realign the nose cone!
Let's fix that nose cone before any more show up.
Jack, get this thing aligned. Alright, we're back in business.
Then climb aboard the rocket. You can ride it straight to the launch pad.
Jack, shock trap! Throwing fire! Flame out! Shield! Dead!
All right, they're down.
All right, we're good.
You know, by our standards, that kind of went over. Down! Get it! Oh, break! Behind you! Holy shit! Boss! Man, thank you! I'm moved by your gratitude, really, I am. But I'd remind you, I'm hanging from the back of a fucking train! Oh, right.